Mhm. Yes. So, we all know that our childhood programming plays very important role, right? जो भी अभी तक हमने सीखा है so far in life, it plays very important role what we are feeling now how we are handling our present life situations. So that is called inner child. And it is a therapeutic process where we are gently connected to our parts, maybe from childhood, maybe from recent past, where we have felt so many negative emotions like guilt, anger, rejection, being cheated, and all those negative emotions, especially. And these feelings actually coming from our emotional needs, our psychological needs, when in the past our psychological needs were not met. When we were young, not that much mature enough to deal with the challenging situations. And the thing is that our early experiences, they don't disappear by themselves, and they often show up later up as a pattern, triggers, or emotional reaction. So whatever happened so far, whatever we have seen, heard, or felt, and all those memories, they get stored in our subconscious mind. Mm. For example, in the childhood, if you have seen your parents fighting, if you have seen that there is a big loss in the family and so much grief, if you have seen there's so much financial problems in the family and conflict because of that. So all those memories, maybe of no feeling of fear, hurt, no, not heard. Hurt means no, nobody is there to make you feel safe, standing beside you. So all these feelings, they get stored into subconscious mind, and they get triggered whenever the similar situation we face in our life. We are feeling the same reaction, and over the period of time it becomes intensified. Mhm. So it is our actually emotions which we have felt before in our life, and we are carrying on that pattern till we are not healing it completely. So the basic need, we have seen the psychological needs and the need of the child or the our younger version when we were not so much wise enough to deal with the situations. That our younger version wanted to feel safe, loved, validated by adults, the feeling of belongings. तो ये चीज जब सब नहीं मिलता है हमें पहले अपने जीवन में, तो कुछ बहुत ही नेगेटिव बिलीफ्स बन जाते हैं हमारे खुद के बारे में. सो वी डेवलप सो मेनी नेगेटिव बिलीफ्स लाइक आई एम नॉट इनफ, आई मस्ट प्लीज अदर्स. We have this people pleasing attitude. We are feeling unsafe, unloved, and these feelings, these negative or disempowering beliefs, you know, where the child is still feeling wounded, they influence our adult life. Although we have all grown up, but still those impressions in subconscious mind, they impact our adult life. If we are still feeling fearful of some situation, na, they are not that big, but we have some strong emotional reaction or some normal or some challenging situations. When we are always fearing what will happen in the future, fear of rejection by the people around us. Now, when we have this people pleasing attitude, we are not able to set boundaries with the people. Now, we have some chronic guilt, self criticism, feeling helpless, feeling unseen. So these all feelings, they have root in the childhood or in the past life, or you can say that in your early experiences. So we have to heal that today. And it is said it is started from the maybe past life. We are not going into past life, but yeah, into this life, whatever now memory you are gathering, we are going to heal those memories. So it is said that our memories, they get stored in the form of pearls, or pearl strings. You know, so mainly we feel, five emotions. Please note down. हम ज्यादातर पांच इमोशंस फील करते हैं. पहला है एंगर, दूसरा है सैडनेस, दुखी होना, गुस्सा आना, दुखी होना, फियर, डर, डर महसूस करना, फीलिंग ऑफ हर्ट, हर्ट फील करना कि मुझे बहुत ही बुरा फील हो रहा है, एंड फीलिंग ऑफ गिल्ट. So, in our subconscious mind, for all these feelings and other feelings, they are sub part, or you can say the branches of these feelings. They are sub branches of the sub part of these feelings. Mm. So you may feel feeling of rejection and all those things, feeling of abandonment. They are all coming from all these things. So in unconscious mind or subconscious mind, memory, they just like a string of pearls. We have separate string pearl for every emotion. For example, for happiness, we have one string, happiness string. Now for courage, we have another string. Now for fear, for hurt, we have another string. So what happens when we go into inner child healing? So we will ask ourselves, "Okay, when I have felt this emotion before." So when we go do this process in meditative state, जो हम ये meditation के form में करते हैं, तो और हमारे subconscious mind को command देते हैं कि let us go back into the memory when you have felt this emotion for the first time. और जब हम पर्ल स्ट्रिंग का पहला मोती कट कर दें, जहां से स्ट्रिंग स्टार्ट हुई थी, नॉट स्टार्ट हुई थी, तो क्या होगा? सारे स्ट्रिंग डिसॉल्व हो जाएंगे, राइट? नीचे गिर जाएंगे, दे विल फॉल ऑफ. सिमिलरली in the child healing works. No, we go back into the memory and ask our subconscious mind, when did you feel this emotion first? And it will take you when you were maybe 5 year old, 6 year old, maybe 10, 12, 11, 15, 14, 20, 25, 30. It can be anything. So without judging, we have to do this process. Another important part of inner child healing is we have two subparts in us. One is child self, or you can say that subconscious the self or adult self or conscious self. जैसे हम ये भी बोलते हैं ना, we have two minds, logical mind and emotional mind. So understand emotions are important, but they should be regulated, under control. Hmm. So when we are having too much emotional, we are very having too much reactions, it means we are operating from inner self, from our subconscious mind or from our emotional mind. When we are in F3 mode, fight, flight, or freeze mode, feeling unsafe very often, it means we are operating from our emotional mind or inner child self. We need this validation from others. We want to be accepted by others. We want to be heard. And we sometimes we are also controlling, stubborn in nature. No, we are not understanding the reasoning, logical part. It means we are operating from our inner child, from our past self, which is not evolved yet, right? But when we are logical, we are responding to situation, not reacting. Now we are thinking, and then we are responding wisely. It means we are operating from adult self or our higher self. When we are feeling strong and safe, now we do not need validation from others. We do not need other people to be with us to make us feel safe. We are operating from higher self. Now, maturely dealing with the situation in a balanced way, and having empathy to others, and also having self love to yourself. No, so feeling the self worth, having clarity in life. It means we are operating from higher self, and we have power to heal ourselves. We do not need anybody else to heal our sub parts. Our higher self is enough to heal our inner child. तो आज हम अपने हायर सेल्फ को भी इन्वोक करेंगे और उसको अगर इट इज ऑलरेडी देयर we will find that how to access that power of higher self. So these are the steps which we are going to do through this meditation. First of all, it's like a process of reparenting yourself. सो वी आर गोइंग टू रीपेरेंट अवर जो भी अभी तक हमने सीखा है उसे अभी हमें अनलर्न करके रीलर्न करना है. सो वी विल एक्नॉलेज ना अवर पास्ट सेल्फ एंड पास्ट wounds, पेनफुल थिंग्स, फीलिंग्स. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थिंक ऑफ करंट सिचुएशन. जब आपने वो अनप्लेजेंट फीलिंग, इट कैन बी सैडनेस, हर्ट, फियर, गिल्ट, है ना, आपने फील किया था. ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर दोस 5 फीलिंग्स एंड व्हाट आई एम फीलिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन. वो सिचुएशन आई, सपोज बॉस ने गुस्सा किया, या घर में ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन है जहाँ पे यू आर फीलिंग टू, ना, यू आर फीलिंग रिजेक्टेड, नोबडी इज लिसनिंग टू यू, कोई आपकी बात नहीं सुन रहा है ना. तो प्रेजेंट में आप ऐसी क्या अनप्लेजेंट सिचुएशन है, उसकी वजह से आप इमोशन क्या फील कर रहे हैं. And then we will ask our subconscious mind, when did you feel this emotion before? So your mind will automatically take you to there, the first one. उसको और ज्यादा दिमाग पे जोर डालने की जरूरत नहीं है, जितना आप याद कर सकते हैं पिछला उतना काफी है. Then after that we will soothe, have empathy for our younger self, validate the emotion when he was feeling ignored, dismissed, unsafe. We validate, unloved. Make our younger self feel safe, loved, paying attention, and then we will seek divine wisdom. जी, ये सब कुछ कैसे होगा? Through our higher self. And we will seek some divine wisdom and update our old beliefs which was causing problem in our life. It was not actually that person, but the belief which were formed because of that situation. And so we will update our old beliefs with adult self, higher self, and this is the entire process we will do through meditation. It is little longer meditation, maybe 20 minutes, 20-25 minutes. Yeah. So please sit comfortably. Hmm? आराम से बैठ जाइए. So now we will start inner child healing. Sorry for the long introduction, but yeah, I hope it is clear. कैसे करना है हमको? If you want to drink some water, please drink some water and sit comfortably. आराम से बैठ जाए. I'll play some music. Great. I hope it is audible. Thank you. Sit comfortably. आराम से बैठे. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Just relax. Completely relax yourself. Relax your forehead. Relax your shoulder. Relax your chest, your neck. You can move little bit. Now, if you're feeling any kind of tightness, relax your stomach. Relax your legs, hands. Now, take a deep breath in. Focus on your breath. Just recall any of the bad experience recently happened in your life. It can be any bad experience of like fight at home, any kind of failure, any unpleasant memory. अभी आपने रिसेंटली कुछ अनप्लेजेंट मेमोरी अनप्लेजेंट फीलिंग जो महसूस की है मे बी कल डे फोर यस्टरडे which is bothering you, any small fight, failure, rejection, hurt, anger, feeling of guilt. Just focus in your body where you are feeling this emotion. अपने बॉडी पर फोकस लेके जाइए, ये आपको अपनी बॉडी में कहाँ फील हो रहा है. You must be feeling that discomfort somewhere, any of the part of your body. Now, keep your eyes closed. Ask yourself, when did I felt this? When did I feel this feeling before? ये जो फीलिंग अभी मुझे फील हो रही है, ये सबसे पहले कब फील हुई थी? Your mind will take you of that age. Picture that child of your inner self, your younger version. See that very clearly. Keep breathing normally and ask yourself this question. When did I feel this before? And allow your mind to go back into the memory lane. How that child or your younger version looked like or felt, what that version of yourself is feeling, what was happening at that time. Feel that and relive that past memory. Now, before we proceed ahead, go ahead. We will invoke blessing of Krishna. We need some courage, we need some energy, we need some blessings to deal with this past. We will invoke our higher self. Please imagine a beautiful golden light, like sun rays. It is coming from above and is entering into your body, into your whole being, whole body, from your head. It is entering inside. This is the light of Krishna's unconditional love and blessings. You are getting this unconditional love, blessing, energy, power from Krishna Himself. You are feeling empowered, you are feeling loved. You are courageous, you are strong, you are Satchit Ananda. How your higher self look like with these blessings, with this empowerment. See your higher self is smiling, it's a bright, glowing face, effulgent face, connected to Krishna. It's powerful, courageous, strong, bold. Now allow your higher self to discover your inner child memory or your younger self, inner child, which is feeling unloved, unsafe, and causing pain and discomfort in present life. So, see that it is like a movie. You are replaying that movie of your younger self. Maybe interaction with your parents, with other people, any kind of difficult situation, unpleasant situation. Go back and see your higher self is with you. It's going with you, holding your hand. ना जैसे एक ना when a small child is walking with some adult in the family, the child feels so safe. Similarly, your higher self is holding the hand of your older version of that your inner child when your inner child was completely feeling threatened, fearful, unloved, hurt. We are reliving that past again, but now this time with your higher self. When you are feeling those emotions, comfort, discomfort, and pain, allow yourself, allow that part within you to feel that emotion again. Simply let your feeling guide you to that memory. You noticed your younger self. Maybe it looked like maybe 1 year back, 2 year back, 5 years back. Reconnect with that feeling, that younger human being. आप उसे बहुत क्लियरली देख सकते हैं. Now your higher self will talk to your younger self. उससे बात करेंगे आप बहुत प्यार से, जैसे आप किसी मासूम बच्चे से बात करते हैं. वो बच्चा जो आपके अंदर ही है, काफी डरा हुआ है, उसके पास जाइए. Go near to that child and say, Hare Krishna. I'm coming from the future. I'm your higher self. Ask him, I have, how are you feeling? I have come to help you. No, why are you feeling scared? आप जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं उससे पूछिए. Allow your younger self to express his pain or her pain freely. Put your hand on her or his shoulder. आपका हायर सेल्फ आपके इनर सेल्फ के ऊपर शोल्डर पे हाथ अच्छे से रखेगा, सहलाएगा. Reassure her, reassure him, I'm there for you. I'm so sorry you are suffering alone here, and I have never paid attention to you. I'm so sorry you are experiencing this pain alone. I'm so sorry up until I have not supported you well. आप अकेले ही इन सब चीजों से जूझ रहे थे, परेशान हो रहे थे. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. Please allow me to help you. Please allow me to heal you. I want to heal your pain. And ask your inner self, do you want to say something? Please express. I will take care of you. And try to listen if your younger self is responding and saying, expressing that pain. What do you need? Please tell me. I will try my best to support you. Have a very healthy, very beautiful conversation with your younger self. Tell him it's okay to be scared. It's okay to be hurt. It's okay to feel angry. It's okay. It's okay to feel guilt. I'm here to heal you. I'm here to support you. You are worthy. Speak gently. You are worthy. You are loving. I love you. Now we can say 3 times. Just get connected to your inner child. Your higher self is keep repeating, I'm sorry for the hurt you have gone through, this pain you have gone through. Please forgive me, I was not there. You don't need validation from others. I am there for you. You do not have to depend on others for feeling good. I am there for you. Our Krishna is with us. He is empowering us. He is loving us. We do not need anybody else to make us feel loved, to make us feel respected, to make us feel validated. I thank you for allowing me to heal you, and I love you. It's okay, whatever you feel. All feelings are allowed. Keep holding hand of your younger version or shoulder around your hand around your shoulder. Anyways, how your younger version is feeling soothing and comforted, do that. Do so. I'm so sorry that if you have gone through. Continue talking to your younger version like this. Keep reassuring him or her. Everything is going to be okay. Everything is going to be taken care by Krishna. Have trust in the process of life. से बात कीजिए, बोलिए everything is happening for your highest good. And everything is balanced in this universe. Trust the process of life. Now gently ask what we have learned from this situation. What is the lesson behind with this situation? Empower your inner child and ask these small questions. How can we evolve? Give that courage, that sympathy, that empathy to your younger self and ask what was the lesson behind it. Try to listen what was the lesson. Was that patience, forgiving? The courage was needed. Always remember, tell your younger self, Krishna is empowering us. He is there with us. Let us face the situation bravely. I am very proud of you. Now, I am there with you always. Sorry I have left you alone, but now we are together. Keep holding the hand and keep transferring that energy, courage, blessing of Krishna to your younger self. And no matter what emotions you are feeling, you have right to be happy because you are Satchitananda. Keep transferring this higher power to your inner child, to your younger version. Keep that courage, love, reassurance. Fulfill that psychological need. Tell I love you, our Krishna loves you. I thank you for being there for so many years waiting for me. Whatever happened in the past, those people, maybe your parents, those adults, they misbehaved, they didn't handle you properly because they didn't know it, how to handle you, how to help you. They did their best as per their knowledge, as per their conditioning. So now onwards, I am there to protect you. There's always a good lesson in life. Let us learn our lesson and move on in life. That situation had come in our life to make us stronger, courageous, so that we can evolve consciousness wise, we can grow in life. Tell your younger self, I accept you with your shortcomings, with your good part and with not so good part. I accept you as a whole. Now you are accepted. You are safe. You are protected. You are perfect the way you are. I know that you are trying your best to learn your lesson and grow in life. I'm proud of you. You are worthy of love and happiness. You belong to Krishna. Now, keep this process continually until unless your younger self is feeling protected or comfortable. We have to continue this exercise till our younger self is feeling comfortable. Take a deep breath in. Now imagine both your higher version and younger version is now merging together. आपको इमेजिन करना है आपके दोनों पार्ट, आपका यंगर सेल्फ और हायर सेल्फ एक दूसरे से मर्ज हो रहे हैं and it is now merging within you, your present self. Take a deep breath in and release. Now it is you with that courage, with that wisdom, with all empowering beliefs. You have evolved. Take a deep breath in. You can rub your palms and open your eyes. This is a long process. You can shorten it. आप इसे short करके भी कर सकते हैं. But thing is that we have to give that love, affection, assurance to our younger self. It is the must to heal our past, right? And after this process, we can ask, what happened? What was the unmet needs of our younger self? ऐसी कौन सी नीड थी जो पूरी नहीं हुई थी? And what was the lesson or what new learning you got out of this experience? What are our takeaways? हमने क्या सीखा जब हम अपने पास्ट में गए? What your past self revealed to you? And after healing, are you feeling better? Would you integrate those parts within yourself? Your higher self help you to heal your younger self, then we have to integrate both of them, and maybe like this there are many younger self who are waiting for healing. So we have to repeat this process for all those parts within us. Yeah, definitely some psychological needs were there which was not fulfilled at that time, right? And some learning, because as a child we don't have that much logic, reasoning to learn the lesson and move on. But now we definitely have that wisdom with us by Krishna's mercy. So go back, learn the lesson and evolve. Yeah. Right, it is very important to allow your younger self to feel whatever it has felt before, lovingly, without judgment, no judgment at all. Okay. So this was the complete process of inner child. Okay. So I thought today is Sunday, so we can prolong our session. आराम से कर सकते थे. So let me know. Could you do this meditation? How are you feeling now? आपको भी कैसे लग रहा है? क्या आप पहुंच पाए अपने इनर चाइल्ड से, कनेक्ट कर पाए, उसे वो प्यार दे पाए, रीअश्योरेंस दे पाए? Hmm? Let me know in chat box. I hope it was useful. Yeah. Thank you, Alice Mataji. Okay, Disha, thank you. Getting clarity. Yeah, it's a very powerful process, right, to heal ourselves. So far, we were just judging ourselves. ऐसा नहीं करना था. I shouldn't have done this. I shouldn't have done that, and all those things. Yeah, we have to repeat this process again. But that is a very beautiful part when our higher self is holding hand of inner self. We are with us. Krishna is with us. Yeah. We do not need other people's validation or their support. We have everything in ourselves. By Krishna's mercy, we are holistic being. We are whole and complete. Mm. Okay. चलिए. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. आपका दिन बहुत मंगलमय हो. You can also start chanting if you want. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Hare Krishna.